So guys, be smart guys, because everybody wants to take out money from you in a different ways. So be careful. So hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. I'm here at a TVS showroom for my TVS service, fourth service of this bike at Kurcharam in Goa, South Goa. I'll tell you about the bike, TVS XL100. This bike is very good. So I'll show you the bike and tell you what's the problem in this bike. It's 8,784 kilometers I've done till now. मैं गिर गया था इस बाइक पे एक बार. ये सडनली कुत्ता आ गया रोड पे और मैं गिर गया. थोड़ा हाथ को भी लगा था मुझे couple of days back. So this handle has broken here. You see this? तो यहाँ ये ब्रेक का लीवर यहाँ से टूट गया था. हाँ, तो यहाँ से मैं दिखाता हूँ. तो ये टूट गया था यहाँ से, और इसको ये ठीक करने को 650 बोले हैं मुझे. They asked me 650 for this to replace this one. So this is very expensive. तो बहुत महंगा है ये. तो मैंने थोड़ा जुगाड़ किया इसको. This complete comes with this handle comes with a complete of wires and all. This is electric start. That's why it's a 650 this side में. तो मैंने कुछ जुगाड़ किया इसको. यहाँ से एक क्लैंप लिया और इसमें से इसको कनेक्ट किया मैंने, और यहाँ से और एक क्लैंप करके ये फिक्स किया है इधर. अभी ये हिलता नहीं है, ये देखो ठीक हो गया. और इसमें से इधर ये डाल के इसको फिक्स किया यहाँ पे. तो ये मैंने 650 का जुगाड़ कर लिया है इधर. तो ये बाइक सबसे सस्ता है, लेकिन इसका ये बेसिक थिंग्स है वो बहुत महंगा बोल रहे हैं वो लोग. और ये तो डबल लीवर है इधर. तो इसका तो बहुत 800 तक जाएगा लगता है इसका रेट. ये कंप्लीट सेट नॉट 800 बट आई विल टेल यू इट विल कॉस्ट 1000 आई थिंक, मोर देन 1000 of this pair. Once you break the lever here, it will cost you more than 1000 I think. So I have done this some kind of jugaad in Indian language they call here, and this thing has broken here. I was at a speed of 20 to 25, then suddenly dogs appears on the road, then and just hit the wheel, then I lost my balance and fallen down. So my hand was a little bit fractured that time. It was going to be 11 months now for this bike, and nothing has issue in this bike till now. It's working perfect. It's no starting problem, no pickup problem. Okay, we'll go inside after they open there. Then I'll try to show you how they do that service there. Okay. I'll tell you one story of this Antorq, TVS Antorq. This scooter is 1 month old. Then within 15 days it's here. This scooter is bought by his father. The child who was riding, the child hit that scooter on the truck and he died on the spot. The employee told me about that. So within 15 days he died after riding this bike. So this is the story of this scooter. Okay, I am done almost now. Let's go and pay the bills. Let's see how much they cost. It's a paid service guys, fourth service. Done here. It's 888 something. We'll talk it about this. We'll go from here first. I'll show you the bills and paper now. They charge me 887 rupees fourth service, and it's a paid service for this small bike. You see this, how much they charge here in Goa. It's very expensive. Like it has a three free service for this bike. Then they start charging after that in the name of labor charge. Says like that. What they did, I tell you what they did there. He just cleaned the liners inside, both liners here in this drum and the front drum also, and the basic thing, the chain tight and all, everything. These people are doing just like that only. They just want to take out money from you in the name of service charge, in the name of labor charge or something like that. So system works like this here in Goa. It looks like when the customer will finish his service period, free service period, and then they will start charging you in the name of paid service, and they will just simply add money on that. I think 500 bucks they charge for labor charge, I think, and then the oil change. From now on, I will not take this bike to the service center. I will do this business outside, because they just these people just want to take money from you in the different types of. It's a very unbelievable. Almost 900 rupees for this bike now for fourth service. Then after this fifth service, they will tell something as broken there, you have to replace it. I already told you in the beginning of the video, this also they charge 650, they was telling me. Then I made some jugaad because of that, because everybody wants to save his money, right? So I made some jugaad, and these people will take out your all money in the name of different categories. And they was telling me that they have some kind of scheme there, like 1150. If I make that scheme, then I will get 4 service, which will add in that one tag. So I didn't expect it, because I'm not going to take this bike anymore to the service. I will do it by myself. So guys, be smart guys, because everybody wants to take out money from you in a different ways. So be careful, be smart, because world is getting wild guys. So take care of yourself. And I want to tell you about one thing of this. I showed you the accident bike there, Ntorq bike. Always wear helmet guys. Even I use helmet on this small bike also. Wherever I go, take care of yourself in this in the new year 22. So happy new year guys. Take care of yourself. This is the story behind new vehicles guys. They will ask you to pay more and more and more, and just keep on paying guys. So okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.